Y'all doing?
Yep.
And see, my man Sean right here, dudes be hating on him. Yeah, he got some different issues going on, but I tell you what, that nigga gonna have a house and a coupe by December. Fooling with your boy. All he gotta do is do what he doing now, chillin'. And he'll tell you, like when it started off, things was kind of rocky. People ain't come to the events. Ask them how it is now. They treat us like kings, nigga, in the projects, the jails, the prisons, $1 million cribs, corporate America. Nobody can fade me. Yeah. And when we keep heat, but I don't even need no pistol. Oh, and for all the ladies on my Facebook, please stop talking like that because girls be checking my junk with me. That's in my foundation. Oakland Village, stand up. Highland Park, stand up. Whooping Court, Fairfield Court, Mosby Court, Hillside Court, Midlothian Village. All of them be checking my book. And look, they go super hard for your boy. See, y'all talk that shit, I live it. I'm giving and I feed a lot of people. When people have parties, I give food. Be very careful. I got a lot of family in this city, man. Most stuff you talk, people want to get at you. And to that lame ass nigga that was checking my history, bro, use a lie and use a lame and use a phony, bro. Check my record, nigga. I got like 13 eluding the police, nigga. Shooting Jones. Attempted capital. Man, y'all niggas is whack, man. Ain't never done nothing, shawty. Y'all niggas is whack. Y'all niggas is computer gangsters, bro. Believe that. Yeah. And, you know what? The judges, lawyers, and prosecutors respect me because they know my struggle. You's a fake, a phony. You ain't been through nothing. Nigga, I beat the street. You ain't shit. Believe that. I crush you, bro. Yeah, gang. Look, big up to my niggas. Bloods, Crips, MS-13, folk, everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't care what you doing, bro. You can change your life. I don't hate on nobody. The gang affiliate, all my niggas gang affiliate. I got cousins that's governors of big gangs, bro. Believe that. Worldwide, not just here in the United States. Big up to my people in Child. Big up to my Spanish friends, man. I love y'all, man. Real talk, man. Yeah. Niggas talk. I got friends everywhere. Niggas know I'm an electrician. And I worked in construction for years. So I got plenty of Hispanic friends. I love Hispanic people, man. Real talk. They real as ever. Yeah. My Russian friends, my Australian friends, my Japanese friends. I love any culture, man. If you trying to get paper, holler at one. I don't care if you orange, nigga. As long as you keep it real, you keep it true, and you chillin'. Wanza, man. I'm the dumb. I cook. I cut hair. I cut grass. And I buy and sell massive amounts of property. Bro, we just bought some property on another continent, man. Y'all niggas get on my level, man. Real talk, man. Yeah, and all from my mama crib. Yeah, believe it. Nobody outstunts me, bro. Run your clip, bro.